There are three tricks that dealers use to stop lemon law claims. Now, none of these tricks seem particularly evil at the time, but they have a huge impact later on should somebody want to bring a lemon law claim. So, the first trick the dealers have up their sleeve is when it comes to repairing your vehicle. When somebody has a new vehicle, they bring it into the dealer for warranty work, the thing gets fixed, and they drive off. Well, you need to make sure that the dealer gives you an invoice, and on that invoice, it shows what is the customer complaint, what did you bring it in for, and it shows what work was accomplished. Because if you have no paperwork at all, and down the line you realize, hey, I've had this car in for 4+ times for the same thing or even different problems in the first year, I want to bring a lemon law claim. Well, if you've got no documentation of that at all, it's going to be really, really hard to prove your claim, and you're going to have to get all of your paperwork, if it even exists, from the very person or place that you want to bring a claim against. And they might be less than cooperative, especially if they know that the statute of limitations is going to run pretty soon and you're going to have no claim at all. So, the second trick is offering a small settlement. They might tell you, hey, we apologize for your inconvenience. So, what we're going to do to make sure you're taken care of is we're going to extend your warranty. So, if this problem comes up again, we're going to cover it, or we're going to give you some sort of a settlement, maybe a couple months of your car payments, and that way you're taken care of. And while that sounds nice and helpful, you need to make sure that what you're signing does not extinguish your rights to bring a lemon law claim or a warranty claim in the future. And so if the language isn't clear or you have questions, you probably want to talk to a lawyer in your state that does this kind of stuff. The third trick is the claim process that many auto manufacturers have. And the way this works is when you have a dispute, they tell you, hey, I know you want to bring a lemon law claim, but you can't right now. First, you have to go through our claim resolution process. Usually it's some sort of an arbitration, and hey, we've got this arbitrator. He or she is going to hear both sides and make a decision based on all of the facts and circumstances. But they tend to forget to tell you that these arbitrations are paid for entirely by the automotive industry and not by you, so you can guess where the loyalty of the arbitrator may lie. Additionally, they may forget to tell you that even if you lose in the arbitration, you're still allowed to bring your lemon law claim later. But one of the problems people sometimes run into is the claim process may delay things, and if it delays too long, the statute of limitations, meaning the period in which you can bring your lemon law claim, may have passed, and you lose your claim not because you don't have a claim, but because you waited too long to bring it. So if you happen to be in Nevada where I practice law and you've got questions, please feel free to give me a call or drop me an email and we can talk about it.